Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be reviewing the STERAYS Slushie Machine, which is a frozen drink maker that promises fast slush in 15 to 60 minutes with no ice required. So if you are thinking about bringing the slushy experience home, you can check out the product link in the description box below for more details. So let's start our review with what makes this particular machine different. So the biggest selling point is that it uses a 360-degree rotating propeller cooling cylinder, meaning that you don't need to add ice in it at all. Instead of blending the ice cubes, it freezes the liquid directly, giving you a smoother texture and more consistent results. It also comes with the 6 preset programs. So whether you want a slushy, milkshake, smoothie, frozen cocktail, or margarita, you can simply tap the touchscreen and let the machine handle the rest. The touchscreen control panel is also intuitive and easy to use, which makes the setup very quick, even if it's your first time using the product. The capacity is another strong point. With a 68-ounce tank, the machine is great for the families, small parties, or weekend gatherings. You can make multiple servings in one batch instead of refilling the product constantly. In the real world performance, it produces smooth, evenly frozen drinks within the promised time frame. Fruit juice slushies come out refreshing, and frozen cocktails maintain a nice consistency without being too watery. Now, cleaning is surprisingly convenient. It features a self-cleaning function that basically and also removable parts can go in the dishwasher. That saves a lot of time as compared to the traditional blenders or ice crushers. So the question here is, should you actually go for this product? So if you want a quick no ice frozen drinks at home with minimal hassle and good versatility, it's definitely a strong option. Just keep the sugar required in mind, and if you prefer low sugar recipes. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.